Hi everybody, my name is Miro Sloboda. I'm the host of Easy Retirement with Miro, and in today's episode we'll be talking about the CPP, the Canada Pension Plan, which is one of the core pillars of the Canadian retirement system. So the CPP is an actual pension. It is an actual pension plan, and what I mean by that is that the funds that are invested in CPP are actually segregated from general revenue, general government's revenue. So if the government continues to run deficits and is looking for revenue in the future, they cannot tap into the CPP. It is your money. And every Canadian that is working and paying taxes is contributing towards the CPP via taxation. So part of the taxes withheld at source are contributed or are deposited into the Canada Pension Plan. And if you are an employee, you're making 50% of your contributions and your employer is contributing the other 50% on your behalf. CPP is a monthly benefit, and the earliest that you can apply for CPP is age 60. Normal retirement age is age 65, and you could defer your CPP with a deferral bonus up until the age of 70. The maximum amount you can receive in 2022 is just over $1,200, $1,253. And this amount is actually increased for inflation every single year. Your benefit is based on contributions. So everybody's benefit is actually different, or for most Canadians, obviously. And your contributions currently are maxed out at about $61,500. And again, this number will increase for inflation in future years. To find out exactly how much contributions you have made towards the CPP, and also to find out your estimated CPP benefit at the age of 60, 65, and 70, all you need to do is to go to the CRA's My Account and My Service Account. All of this information is available online, specifically to every Canadian situation. Now, the other thing to keep in mind is that you must apply for the CPP in order to start collecting CPP benefit. And processing time is about 6 months, 6 to 12 months. So if you wanted to retire a year from now, it is time to apply for the CPP benefit right now. And again, all of this is available on My Account with Service Canada. Besides the main benefit, which is a pension benefit, CPP also covers disability, survivors, and child benefit. So really briefly, CPP disability benefit, should you become disabled prior to the age of 65, CPP disability would pay you up until the age of 65, CPP disability benefit, and then age 65, the disability benefit switches to CPP pension. Survivors benefit is a fairly complicated formula, but again, you can go to My Account, CRA's My Account, and you could view what the potential survivor's benefit would be. And also there's a child's benefit for children age up to the age of 25 that is available as well. And on top of that, CPP also pays a death benefit, which is a lump sum up to $2,500 when somebody passes on. So when should you take the CPP benefit? As I mentioned earlier, normal retirement age is age 65, but you could apply for the CPP as early as age 60, or you could defer up until the age of 70. If you were to start collecting prior to the age of 65, your CPP benefit is reduced by about 7.2% per year. If you were to defer to the age of 70, your CPP benefit is actually increased by about 8.4% per year. So generally, the rule of thumb is that if you're still working, first of all, you should not start collecting or apply to collect the CPP early. Secondly, should you defer after retiring? Let's say you retire at the age of 65, should you defer CPP up until the age of 70? Well, everybody's situation is different, but if you have enough funds coming in to cover your expenses, you should try to defer your CPP as late as possible up until the age of 70, because as I mentioned earlier, for every year that you defer your CPP, your lifetime benefit is increased by 8.4% per year, and this is a lifetime increase. The other thing to consider is that if you are a Canadian resident, or if you were a Canadian resident, you will also potentially be able to apply for OAS, Old Age Security. So you could start collecting Old Age Security at the age of 65, as an example, and then you could defer your CPP up until the age of 70, or combination of those two. Who should take the CPP early as soon as possible, which is age 60 or right after retirement? Well, first of all, if you need the funds, if you for your retirement lifestyle, if you need the funds, then you would take the CPP early. And the other thing to consider is life expectancy. If you have some medical issues, if life expectancy is shortened, then also you would consider taking CPP early at the age of 60 or right after retirement. The other government benefit, OAS, as I mentioned earlier, is not available up until the age of 65. So you would take CPP early if life expectancy is reduced, or should you need those funds immediately, and then you would start receiving Old Age Security at the age of 65. Thanks for tuning in today. My name is Miro Svoboda with Easy Retirement with Miro. Please subscribe to the channel, please like the channel, and we'll be posting videos on a weekly basis. Thanks again, have a great day.